Money not enough, please teach me how to make more money.
Is it not the case?
Like hunting for a treasure chest using a treasure map. Let me ask you, have you tried to take all the checkboxes and do what the society wants you to do? Be nice, listen to our bosses, so hopefully we can get more money?
Yeah, of course. So
One of the biggest mistakes people generally make is wishful thinking. You want something to be true even if it isn't true. You ignore the real truth because of what you want to be true. This is a very difficult trap to avoid.
How so?
Money actually comes from us. We are the source of our own money.
What philosopher bullshit are you talking about?
When we solve problems for others, when we serve someone, anybody, everybody, that is how we create value. And that is when money is exchanged. And that is the moment when we become the source of our own money.
That starts to make sense.
Money is not out there waiting for you to do enough things before it comes to you. Instead, money is waiting for you and for me to give something to the world so it can be exchanged for that value. That is why you are the source of your own money. That is why people who are hesitant to invest in themselves for self-improvement find it very hard to see money coming, because these are the things that's going to raise your value.
So, you mean, the ability to create value in the world is the thing that attracts money?
So for now, you don't have to figure out how to get more money. You need to figure out how to become more valuable.
I'm hardworking as fuck, is it valuable?
Nah.
Emotional damage.
You don't get paid for how hard you work. You get paid for how hard it is for you to be replaced. If you get paid in proportion to how hard you work, the highest paid people in the world would be, take a guess?
Construction workers and even teachers.
But they are not. Fact is, the harder you are to replace, the more money you can make.
That's not fair.
Now you can scream and shout and complain life is unfair, but the reality is that is just how the world works. What jobs do you think are very hard to replace today? And what can you do to make yourself virtually irreplaceable? Say if I give you 10 million in cash, would you say you'll be pretty happy for quite a long time?
Hell yeah.
On the condition you do not wake up tomorrow.
What? Of course not.
So you're telling me waking up one more day is worth more than 10 million?
Hiya.
So why don't we act that way with enthusiasm every day when you wake up? Think about it. We should, right? And when you do, your perspective shifts into optimism. Problems become opportunities. The vibes of your day become way better.
What the hell?
The economy needs every one of us to spend money and get into debt for it to function. So that car dealers, real estate property developers, luxury goods sellers, and even your toilet paper manufacturers take away the money that you earn. And then banks come in, lend you money, gives you the illusion of a good life. With interest, killing me softly. With interest, chain you to a permanent treadmill, enslave you just like plugging you into the matrix. Squeeze out every inch of energy you have until you drop dead or can no longer spin the wheel at age 60.